Fastest jets in history. Number 5. F-14 Tomcat, Mach 2.34, 1,544 miles per hour. Navy interceptor famous from Top Gun. Number 4. F-15 Eagle, Mach 2.5, 1,650 miles per hour. American air superiority fighter that has never been shot down. Number 3. MiG-31 Foxhound, Mach 2.83, 1,864 miles per hour. MiG-25's successor, still in service today. Number 2. XB-70 Valkyrie, Mach 3.1, 2,056 miles per hour. Experimental bomber with supersonic flight. Number 1. MiG-25 Foxbat, Mach 3.2, 2,190 miles per hour. Soviet interceptor from the 1960s. Bonus aircraft. SR-71 Blackbird, Mach 3.3+, 200+ mph. Reconnaissance aircraft based on interceptor designs.